the media recently, there's been a lot of interest around electric vehicles and the fact that they're inherently quiet. And this has raised a number of concerns regarding safety, because as a pedestrian or as a cyclist, another road user basically, you're actually made aware of the presence of a vehicle by the sound as well as the sight. And I think we're having got a lot of experience with them now, we know that they can creep up on people and potentially give a safety risk. Therefore, there's been a lot of talk about the need to actually introduce sounds to electric vehicles to make them safe.
The problem's really to do with three things. The first thing is obviously safety, in that electric vehicles are silent, so you actually can't hear them. So this obviously has major impacts for pedestrians and also partially sighted people as well. The second problem is to do with the brand of the vehicle, because with electric vehicles they have no sound, and the sound is a major part of the brand of a vehicle. So as electric vehicles could potentially sound like anything, manufacturers are having to think quite carefully about what their electric vehicles should sound like. And the third problem is the impact on the soundscape that electric vehicles will have. Because electric vehicles could potentially sound like anything, we could be facing quite a serious problem where actually our towns and cities could change how they sound.
We've developed Elvin as a way of us being able to try out sounds in a real environment. Elvin is used around campus. He has a day job that it takes him into car parks and into contact with other road users, and therefore we don't want to do anything artificial. And we're actually using him, and he'll be doing his normal day job, but we now have the opportunity to try him out with different sounds.
The sky's the limit, actually. You can have any sound you like, but this is proving to be quite a big problem. So what NoViSim are doing is creating some tools which will help people to design their sound and evaluate that sound in a very efficient way.
I think it looks great. I think the finished product is superb. I'm very pleased to be able to support the team that have been involved in this particular project with a vehicle that we operate on a daily basis. It is the future. We are investing in electric vehicles as part of our transport strategy at the University of Warwick. We are a member, we're one of only 2 universities that is participating in the low carbon vehicle procurement programme, where the Department of Transport is offering grant funding to purchase electric vehicles to operate in our fleet. And in fact, next month in October, we will be taking delivery of 5 electric panel vans that will be replacing 5 conventional vehicles in our fleet.
There's 2 ways that we'd be interested in people taking part in this. The first is to come and hear Elvin on campus and to give us their feedback on what they think of him. He's going to be sounding different on different days of the week, for example. The other way people can give feedback is to go to our website, which is www.warwick.ac.uk/go/Elvin.
And there they'll have the chance just to listen to a few of our sounds, and more importantly, to be able to get in touch with us and give us some feedback.